Carson Dellosa's new interactive notebooks help teachers save time and help students become active, engaged learners. It truly offers a unique and personalized form of note-taking. Our series includes math and language arts books for grades K through 5. Each 96-page book includes more than 30 grade-appropriate lessons. Each lesson includes an instructional teacher page and reproducible pieces that students will use to assemble the right-hand side of their notebooks. A reflection activity for students to apply the skills taught during the lesson is suggested for the left-hand page. The hands-on nature of these interactive notebooks is integral for success. For example, instead of memorizing shape names, students can cut shapes, glue them into their notebooks, and write about each shape in a way that helps them remember it. Our ready-to-use books include 9 how-to teacher pages, which makes transitioning your classroom into an interactive learning environment easy. This instructional strategy promotes organization and study skills for increased student achievement. So teach standard-based skills in an engaging way that empowers students with Carson Dellosa's interactive notebook series.